The 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid has taken the stage as a remarkable addition to American luxury cars, boasting an astonishing 1,020 horsepower and a lightning-fast 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 1.99 seconds. Despite its unconventional features, such as the controversial yoke-style steering wheel, the Model S Plaid offers an exhilarating driving experience that stands out even for those not typically drawn to electric cars. This super sedan encapsulates the three main pillars of traditional American luxury: spaciousness, serene comfort, and effortless driving. Although it's not without its flaws, such as quirky design choices and an arguably lackluster appearance for its power, its strengths significantly outweigh its weaknesses, positioning it as the epitome of American luxury cars currently available for purchase. The Model S Plaid's interior is marked by its minimalist design, featuring a large 17-inch touchscreen and unique steering yoke. While the yoke's design may have been intended to look cool, it lacks the functionality of a traditional steering wheel, making some driving scenarios, like tight parking or multi-point turns, more cumbersome. The digital shifter is a novel addition, activated only when the vehicle is stationary, and although unconventional, it becomes intuitive with use. Comparisons with gasoline-powered luxury vehicles like the BMW M5 and Mercedes-AMG E63s highlight the Model S Plaid's unique position. Its exceptional straight-line speed and impressive handling make it a standout, even though its design and interior could use refinement. The Model S Plaid starting price of $131,190 is eyebrow-raising, but it offers unprecedented performance and luxury at a significantly lower cost compared to its limited competition. In the grand tradition of American luxury cars, the Model S Plaid prioritizes ease of driving, comfort, and power. It capitalizes on electric technology to offer a quiet cabin, immediate power delivery, and a one-pedal driving experience. Although it might not fully match the sophistication of some European competitors like the Porsche Taycan, it presents a unique blend of performance and luxury that positions it as a trailblazer in the evolving landscape of automotive innovation. With its flaws and virtues, the Model S Plaid symbolizes a new era of American luxury, marked by electric power and unparalleled acceleration.